Good evening. My name is Glonor Bangkal. The title of my song is "Thank You for the Music" by ABBA. I will start. Okay. There's nothing special. In fact, I'm a bit of a bore. If I tell a joke, you probably heard it before. But I have a talent, a wonderful thing. 'Cause everyone listens when I start to sing. I'm so grateful and proud. All I want is to sing it out loud. So I say thank you for the music, the songs I'm singing. Thanks for all the joy they're bringing. Who can live without it? And as in all honesty, what would life be without a song or a dance? What are we? So I say thank you for the music, for giving it to me. Step up for life.